Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, if it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. Libra, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Under the deck, High Priestess, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords and Four of Swords. I think you are taking rest. You are taking off from the situation, Libra, right now because you are heartbroken. You are healing right now. You are taking rest and then you will concentrate on your career, on your financial abundance, stability, and you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. And for someone is coming to offer stability or to offer their love to you. They could be a brand new person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Swords, Nine of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. I think in recent past, communication terms between you and your person were not good. You wishing for constant communication, you wishing for stability, but there are some issues between you and your person. Then you started focusing on your career, concentrating on your finances. Yeah. So communication is not consistent between you and your person. Then present Empress, World and Three of Wands. So lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. So you're more concentrating on your inner strength, inner stability. For some, you turn your back from your person but still waiting for their call or for their message. They're still waiting on you. There is some waiting game is going. And you still want some positive growth in this relationship, Libra. And some cycles are already ended between you and your person. For some, there are new beginnings. New cycles are going to be begin. Then future, Six of Cups, Ace of Cups and Two of Wands. Definitely someone from past coming back for reconciliation. You also thinking about them a lot. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And for some, I am seeing you have options. A brand new person is coming into your life. Yes, new love. And for some, you are doing self-love, giving priority to yourself. And Two of Wands, but your lot of thinking is going. Maybe for some, you have options. You have to choose. And lot of thinking. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Eight of Swords, Queen of Swords, Knight of Cups and the Chariot. They are coming back if you are in separation, but they are in slow moving. Yeah. They have romantic feelings for you, but right now they are thinking through their logical mind. Maybe a lot of thinking is going and your person is feeling stuck, but they want to come back, but they're in slow moving energy. So let's see the current feelings and intentions, Libra. Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Let's see their intentions also. Okay. Under the deck, Nine of Swords, the World, Two of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. Definitely they keep tabs on you. They are watching you on social media. They're spying you a lot. So they want to communicate with you. But they're juggling. Maybe they're juggling between you and their career. Maybe you and their family. and the world with Nine of Swords. They're missing you so much, Libra. Definitely they're losing their nights over you. They are crying for you. Definitely they have regrets. And current feelings, Hierophant, Page of Swords, and Ten of Cups. Definitely they want family with you, happy family with you. But there are some issues. Maybe family could be the issue. Their family are not accepting your marriage or your relationship. But they keep tabs on you. They're still watching you on social media. But I am getting here, marriage could be the issue here. For some, maybe your person is already married, having kids. Then their intentions, Five of Wands, Four of Swords, and the Empress. Definitely children's involved in this connection, and the woman in this connection could be pregnant. Right now your person is healing. Yeah, even though they guarded up, they're not talking with you, but they're thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about you a lot, and they're spying you a lot. Definitely they're missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Six of Pentacles with Seven of Swords. For some, maybe this person sneaky for you. Definitely there is something sneaky in this connection. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection in past. But now they are being very patient. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So now they want to fix the things between both of you. They're very, very passionate about you. They still want passionate new beginnings with you. Four of Swords. I think you both are on the same page. You also healing, Libra, and they also healing. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot. See, you both are on the same page, mirroring each other. You both are not talking with each other, but you both thinking about each other a lot. See, a lot of issues going. Five of Swords, lot of spying is going. For some, there will be new beginnings. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, there are some issues or arguments or differences between you and your person, but there will be some communication is coming. Someone is coming for second chances. Maybe you will ask second chance or they will ask second chance, and for some there is balance coming, but there is some confusion. First you both have to talk with each other because you both are in some confusion. There are some disturbances, differences, and justice. Definitely for some there will be second chance, but it will take some time because right now you both are taking rest, you both are healing, you both are guarded up. So definitely your person will take action. There is some communication is coming because they keep spying on you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Trust issues, yes. Third party involved, and separation, and don't leave me behind. So the messages are trust issues, third party involved, separation, and don't leave me behind. So these are the messages from your person and through the channel. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A time to give rather than take, new moon in Virgo energy. So the person, especially in this connection, who is always taking, not giving in return, this is the message for that person. A time to give rather than take. And another message, it dreams need a practical plan, full moon in Taurus energy. So if you want to achieve anything in your life you are dreaming about, first you need to prepare a plan. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.